What's up, everybody? One box Star Wars Masterworks early bird break 43.45. We are full dice roll. We're going to 9 times. Your letters first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Thanks for the comments, guys. I just wasn't getting anything. I had to log out of that and back in. There's your letters 9 times now in your names. Again, good luck here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Again, the 9 there and 9 here. Josh LaCroix up top, Sammy B at the bottom. Sort them out. The R stuck up top. Print. I'll send out a notification, guys, and we rip. Good luck. Alright, guys, appreciate it. Yeah, I didn't have my YouTube chat up. I was not signed into it. But good luck here, guys. Star Wars. We got the No Huddle Bird Prism Auto Banger with the CJ Stroud in there, boys, to 25. Also, there's pulls on the pull box for 10 bucks. Here are the 3 chasers. Oh, Tiny, Brady, and a PSA 10 of Burrow. Pretty good cards. I'll give some pulls out throughout the night, but I suggest buying a few of them. They are only 10 bucks on the website. I have not opened any of this yet. Spence has had all the fun with this. There's a 2-boxer of Star Wars on the site as well, guys. Grab that. That will go tonight. I'm not sure. Let's go here. We got Wrecker going to the W spot. Casca Reeves to the K spot. Miggs Mayfield, M spot. First Ink. Twi'lek Server going to the T spot. And Josh LaCroix. There you go, Josh. I think that's Obi. Obi-Wan going to the O spot. And Sammy. That's not numbered. Box 2. Again, guys, there's maybe about 10 spots left in the early bird. No huddle. Luke Skywalker going to the L spot. And Tyler K250 to the K spot. Another Obi-Wan. This one's the $2.99. Geez, got a nice one coming here. Pretty nice one. Kersantan. or KRR Santan. Going to the K spot. Pretty nice hit. And Josh Cox. Josh never misses, man. And we got Princess Leia Organa. Spence is going to be better with the names than me. It's a nice one there. Haven't watched Star Wars since the first 2 or 3. Yeah, you can Venmo, Lance. You just got to let me know what you're Venmoing for. That way I can pull those spots for you, brother. You can use Venmo right through the site. Princess Leia. Thanks, Brandon. Appreciate it, brother. Bays Malbus. These cards are sweet looking, I'll tell you that. That's 33 out of 50 going to the B spot. You guys will be happy when you get these. Going to Michael Carr. Drash. D spot. Or Drash. And Ryan Bowersock. Tam Rivora. On the animation. Spence will buy this one, I said. Asaka Tano. Spence said he'd buy these. Shirt lining. That's going to the A spot. And Sammy B. A little thicker. Lando going to the L spot. Yeah, it's close. It's close. It'll go for sure. I'll make sure of it. Again, guys, grab your spots on the website. There's a 2-box Star Wars on there that has very few spots left. Boba Fett to the B spot. And Michael Carr. Cadell Co. Conix. K spot. Bodie Rook. B spot. Another Obi-Wan. This one's the 299. Era Singh to the A spot. And Sammy B. That one's sweet looking. Last card of the break is Ray to the R spot. 60 out of 99. Commemorative Star Wars stamp card of Ray. Going to the R spot. And Josh LaCroix. There you go, Josh. Again, guys, there's a 2-boxer on this stuff. And if you hit the right card, this stuff's worth big, big money. Good box. Recap. Boba. Stuff's sweet looking. That goes to the K spot. A spot, and the T spot. That's the break. Thanks for the fill, guys.